So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have Usha Haria ji, she is 67, and we have her son, Hitesh, and they are from Mumbai, right? So, and we have the angel coach, Renu Verma. Renu is from Delhi. And I was informed that they were having abdominal infection post chemotherapy and immunotherapy for stomach cancer, a very aggressive, right, cancer. The first meeting was done on Zoom when the client was in hospital undergoing treatment. Doctors were doubting of patient was about to enter sepsis. Family was informed and there was the life risk if that would have happened. They started natural treatment and infection was cured. Intestinal perforation was there and a discharge bag was attached to stomach incision to collect the discharge for perforation. She was also on antibiotics and antifungal allopathic drugs, totally healed in 2 months. All medicine stopped, bag removed, wound healed. Indigestion and severe food intolerance, vomitings and diarrhea today resolved, taking food properly according to her tolerance and towards reversing the carcinoma. Swelling and pain in legs was there, unexplained pain and swelling in legs which is reduced to 80% and treatment is going on, it's not over. Heart medication she was taking which is completely stopped. Other issues that has been reversed are she seems to be feeling much better, becoming more energetic, lively, improved behavior, improved appetite, improved skin, improved mobility. Amazing. So let's come to Madam Usha Haria and son Hitesh Haria. So over to you. How has been your journey? आपकी ये जर्नी कैसी रही? तो जानेंगे आप ही की जुबानी, क्योंकि कैंसर पेशेंट को बहुत मोटिवेशन चाहिए होती है, तो बिल्कुल आपसे आज वो मोटिवेशन हम लेंगे. Over to you.
Hello. Hi Vishal.
Hi.
I hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate you for the very good work that you are doing. It's a very noble cause. Although you are taking a nominal charge is what I'll say, whatever your fees are, since you have enrolled for the gold membership. But that is nothing to the hospital costs that we occur during these major treatments. So our journey has been full of roller coaster. So as Renu madam, our coach nutritionist, she has been very helpful from the day one. As you mentioned, we started your journey when we were in the hospital. She had a video call with my mother, and then she, took up her case. So after that, we took a decision to get her home because the doctors were of the view that she'll have to stay more over there, and treatment और चलना था basically उनके हिसाब से और 2 महीने तो रुकना पड़ता था. So we took a very strong call, trusting the goodwill that we received about you from my cousin actually, who has joined you all before. So we started your journey, and say we have, really seen a lot of difference and improvement in our health. So as Renu madam must have informed you that she was about to enter sepsis when she was in the hospital. Right. So God willing, she came out of it. She never went through that, but today she is very good. She's recovered quite a lot, and the best part is our family doctor, whom we visit on regular intervals just for regular checkups. She was also quite impressed with her improvement from the day she got discharged from the hospital.
Beautiful.
So so the journey has been really good, and even the coach nutritionist, she has been really helpful. Whenever we have called her, she has never denied anything, and from day one the diet she has told us, we have followed that. Also what she said to do in order to come out of these tough times, we have followed most of the things, and the results are in front of you. So right now still we are under some medication, we are not completely out of it, but the journey has been really amazing.
Beautiful. So can we talk? Yes, Madam Usha जी कुछ अगर बोलना चाहें, we would love to hear from her. अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहें.
तारे का बात करनी चाहिए.
मेरे को है ना, पाँव में थोड़ा सूजन रहता है
जी,
और थोड़ा वीकनेस रहता है शरीर में.
जी.
कभी वोमिटिंग होती है.
पहले से इम्प्रूवमेंट? पहले से अच्छा है?
पहले से इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
वेरी नाइस. हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना है अपन को दोबारा?
नहीं, हॉस्पिटल का नाम ही नहीं लो.
बहुत बढ़िया. तो आपके बेटे ने आपकी बहुत सेवा करी है. श्रवण कुमार है वो, आज के श्रवण कुमार बोलूंगा. आपके बेटे को बहुत सेवा करी इन्होंने आपकी.
बहुत की है.
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी नाइस,
दोनों बच्चों ने बहुत ध्यान रखा है मेरा।
बहुत अच्छा,
बहू भी अच्छी मिली है दोनों।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। थैंक यू
Yeah.
सो मच। जी, ये आतिश आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
Yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to say one thing. You keep on doing this good work, and you need to spread this awareness. We are also trying to spread the word to a lot of other people who have been going through this disease, the deadly disease, which no one should come across in their life actually. So for me, my father has also passed away through the same disease.
सो
So
सॉरी।
yeah, so it was all the more encouraging for us to come to naturopathy, rather than going through the allopathy path again and again. So it was really good journey. It's been a good journey so far actually.
थैंक यू सो मच। लेट्स कम टू द एंजल कोच। रीनू, ओवर टू यू। हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी? कैसी जर्नी रही आपकी? आपने तो कमाल छक्के मार दिए आपने ग्राउंड से बाहर एकदम। जी।
Thank you so much, Vishal sir, for this wonderful opportunity. And speaking about Usha ji and Hitesh ji, they have a wonderful family, such a great bonding, and taking care of each and everything. Whatever I've prescribed them, whatever I suggested, they just tried to follow it to the T, and they really did it. The times were really very tough because a bag was attached to her stomach, and the pus was oozing out, all the food was coming out. There was intestinal perforation post chemotherapy and immunotherapy, and they were really not hoping of the survival. Also, post doctors suggested them of that patient might go under sepsis. So that is really a critical case, and all the family was around when we were on Zoom call in the first meeting. So every now and then, one Hitesh ji was holding the phone, and the other person, and then her daughter-in-law. But hats off to this family; they are amazing, and I suggest each and everyone here to just follow naturopathy and give their body an environment to sync with nature and your body's own wisdom. We really need nature, not hospitals. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Amazing.
Vishal sir, and the entire Go Nature team for the
थैंक यू
wonderful
सो मच।
platform.
छोटा सा
Thank you,
मैसेज देना
Hitesh.
चाहूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच रीनू फॉर दिस वंडरफुल वर्क यू हैव डन, एंड थैंक यू हितेश एंड उषा जी फॉर फॉलोइंग। मेरा मैसेज यही है कि मुझे दिल से लगता है कि हॉस्पिटल में कैंसर को कोई ट्रीटमेंट है ही नहीं, और ये मैं अपने वर्कशॉप में प्रूव भी किया। मैंने 29-30 को हिंदी में मेरा वर्कशॉप है, वो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है। एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव मम्मी पापा एक ही होते हैं, और आज की डेट में कैंसर जिस हिसाब से बढ़ रहा है, तो ये अवेयरनेस लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और आप आए यहाँ पे, आपने सबके सामने बताया, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। थैंक यू सो मच। और उषा जी,
Thank you.
मैं आपको चाहूँगा कि आप 100-120 साल जिए बिना किसी बीमारी के, और ये यही कामना करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Everybody just type MPTY for Usha ji, her son Hitesh, and nutritionist Reenu Verma. Beautiful journey. Really loved it.